Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a nice circle scenery. You can see I have already drawn a circle here. There are two layers. One is inside, another one is outside to show a nice border effects. Let's draw the mountains and the hilly terrain inside the circle. Just I'm using a little, the bold pencil here. Okay. So these are just the few curved lines to show the mountains. You can see all the curved lines. So all this pencil is looks like a nice pencil sketch. Just draw like me. All right. Few bigger stones at the bottom, which you can see out of the water. Okay, you can do the details for few trees on the the body of the mountains, and as you go to the upward you can see the trees are more concentrated on the top of the mountains. Okay, so okay, so the primary one here is done. Then in a little bit far away from that one you can see another mountain here. Okay, all right, so little bit smaller height you can put in this section. Then you can go upward, and for the progression you can see the height is increasing and it's going to be the better height in other portion. Okay, putting a few shades at the bottom which may falling on the water. You can see the shades also here. You can see little bit shades. And let's draw the few bigger mountains on the other sides and just filling up the void places here. On the top maybe you can see the mountain houses. Okay, so the houses are with a deck, and you can see some trees over the houses. Some trees, the details you can see, also some other trees you can see here. So it's very easy for the pencil strokes to define such beautiful landscape and making the scenery like a nice one. So that's the thing. In a far distance you can see some mountains like a little bit visual and some blurred effect. So the pencil strokes here are not that much hard strokes, it's just a soft strokes to show some blurred mountains and trees, everything's there. Okay, you can define some waters here, and in this segment this is a little empty spaces. Just put a boat. You can put a boat here, put the shadows of the boat on the water, a guy sitting at the back. Okay, few details you can make for the appearance so that it does looks good. Okay, and you can put few strokes on the sky just to define the borders of the top portions of the circle. Okay, so it doesn't take much time, it's very simple, very easy. A small amount of time the whole drawing is complete. Awesome. So this is it. I hope you like the scenery and the sketch. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.